Hey guys, Penguin Tech here. This is unboxing the PlayStation Link USB adapter. This is still in USB-A. Yeah, it comes with 1 year warranty. Costs 120 ringgit, which is expensive, but the stupid me broke the old one. As you can see, it's bent. So what to do? Without further ado, let's unbox it. Oh, what just happened? My god. Looks like this is a one-off thing. Yeah, this is a one. This is a one-off design, is it? Holy shit. That's not good. Oh, okay. Yep. Oh, this manual books. What to do? So, yeah, that's it. 1 year warranty, 120 ringgit. So basically, you buy this if you want to have two devices with lossless audio from your PS5 Lite. Yeah, but for my case, it's because mine broke, and it doesn't feel complete without this. So, I mean, even though you can use Bluetooth with my Pulse Lite, yeah. But in any case, I'm just gonna teach you how to connect this. So basically, I'm gonna put this into my desktop. Okay. So my desktop detected it, but what I want to tell you is try not to put it here in front, even though the signal is better, but it's easy to get bent, like very easily. Yeah. So what you want to do is turn on this, and then I'm gonna press it until it's blinking blue, I think. So let me try again. Just go press it until it's blinking. By the way, this is a PS5 Lite. Looks like I'm gonna have to try again. Like here now, blinking now, and then they say to hold this or something. Oh, then it's connected now. Let me see. So yeah, that's how you do it. Basically, when it's off, just hold it until it's blinking blue, so like around 8 seconds, maybe more. And then after that, press this until it starts blinking so that it finds it. And then once they find it, this one will turn solid, as you can see. Then it's all set. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you. Bye bye.